Boot camps. We are all familiar with boot camps due to the military. Military has boot camps. Also, what you may not realize is there are boot camps designed for a lot of different areas that we tend to overlook as, being busy in life and whatnot. But the real fact is that a boot camp is designed to give guidance and skills to the participants. So in sports, they have boot camps, which they call them, I believe, spring trainings every season. So, but also during the year, they have really intense trainings, which can be considered a boot camp also, because they are drilled every single day on what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, different skills they need to develop in order to produce the right results and to have the success that each player is striving to have. So a boot camp is very instrumental in growing and maintaining your personal growth. So in sports, we do this and we take it for granted, if you're the player, that yes, I'm going to have this boot camp, there's going to be new recruits, they're going to be looking, we're going to be teaching, we're going to be growing. So that's a given. And anyone who's even in high school football or college ball, you have a boot camp. You have a spring training. You have a training designed there for you to grow and to prosper. So as you do these things and you're in tune with that, keep in mind, every boot camp is designed to help the person grow. So as you're doing that and you have that in your mind, you already know, if you're the athlete in tune, that you're like, okay, this is good for me. This is what I need. I need to do this. I need to go to this. I need to participate. Participation is a big one, guys. So also, another area that a lot of people don't realize because there's so few of us around is cheerleaders have a boot camp. They have a spring thing also. But in cheerleading, it brings together those members and assisting them and the new recruits in how to teach and guide and how to show up, do the moves, do the jumps, so they don't get hurt. That is part of the boot camp. Boot camp, like I said, is part of learning and growing, and maybe it's changing an action that you have into an action that you need. So keep in mind, cheerleaders also have a boot camp. And I think a lot of you out there in the sports world, or even if you're not in the sports world, you know about the Dallas Cowboys cheerleaders and their workout routines and what they have to do just to get on the team. You've probably seen some programs out there in that. It's very intense. It's very driven. Not everyone makes the cut. That's what the boot camp and the training is all about. It's helping those who are willing to put the effort out there to grow and prosper. That is a boot camp. So boot camps are designed in all different areas, not just sports and not just, any type of athletics. Boot camps are also designed in the business world. They are, and you have seminars. You have things that are, done every week or every month. You have a training, or maybe you just have seminars every few months that you go to, or you have training schedules that you have to do at your job. That is considered like a boot camp because those trainings are giving you insight, they're giving you direction, and they're giving you motivation to go to the next step, to learn how to do this step. The company wants you to learn this. Well, the thing is, military, think about this. The military, everyone's familiar with the military's boot camp. Strenuous, struggling. They beat you down and rebuild you into the soldier that they need you to be. So anyone who's been in the military, kudos to you for making it and going all the way, because this is a very intense boot camp to where they knock you completely down, strip you of your beliefs, so to speak, and build you back up. That is a strenuous, intense boot camp. So it's there to help you to grow to be the team that you need to be. And that's a whole different ballpark when you're getting in with the military thing. And I do understand that. And I am very blessed to have every one of you in the military that's in my family and my friends that are out there protecting us. Thank you so much. It's all about teaching the systems and the strategies that will help you, that will make you grow, that will bring you to that next level, to have the success for each step that you want to have. So teaching the systems and strategies is all around us in different areas of our lives, in our work, in our motivation. And if you have a job, you've got systems and strategies, and you've got people that are giving you the training that you need to do the job the way it needs to be done, to make you successful. Keep in mind, it's all about making you successful, and in turn, it's going to make the company prosperous. So one thing we don't have a lot of is in the home business industry, you may have an upline, or you may have a sponsor, someone out there that doesn't have these tools that they need to give you to get you in that loop, to get you in that training. But we do have boot camps, okay? You have to get involved in these when they come along. What they are is boot camps are given by top earners or people that are already making the money, they're already successful, and they're coming in groups and they're teaching you what you need to do, how you need to do it, and step by step and guiding you through those systems. That is a boot camp. When you have people coming together and they're guides and they're teaching you, you are there to learn and to show, at least some interest in what you're doing, because it's all up to you. There's nobody going to beat you on the back. There's nobody going to say, okay, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, and I'm going to stand over you and make sure you do it. There's none of that. You have to be held accountable for yourself, okay? In the home business world, you are the one who's in control of your daily work, your life, your prosperity, your success. But there's different systems and strategies that we teach you that we're using right now here today to allow you to have the boot camp experience of learning and growing and prospering with people that are already doing it. So every area of life has a boot camp. Then keep that in mind. So when you find a boot camp that is for your area, regardless of what it is, take advantage of it. Get involved in those boot camps because they are golden. These boot camps are designed to help you to change from the person you have been to change to the person you want to be. That's the person of success. And any athlete or any gold medal winner out there or any cheerleader or any business person out there will tell you the simple fact. I had to change who I was to who I am. This is the only way I was able to grow my income and have the life I have now. So they're going to tell you they had to change and strip down all those old beliefs to make it all happen for them. And this is golden, guys, because we say it and we push it out there, but not everyone listens to what we're saying. So we want you to listen to this and to say, you know what? I'm willing to change myself to be that person, to use those skills, to use those strategies that will grow me and grow my business and grow my income. So like I said, it doesn't matter what industry you're in. If you are in sports, if you are, maybe you're in cheer, even if you're a kid in cheer and you are in professional cheer, you will know you have to go to these classes. You have to go to the trainings. You have to do these things. The same thing in home business. You have to keep growing and building and learning every day. I like to learn something new every day because it grows me, it grows my income, it grows my business. And when I do, I'm grateful. Gratitude is a huge one, guys. Be grateful for when you do find that boot camp and you're investing yourself into it. Learn the skills, learn the strategies, and learn the systems all around you. When you do that and you can learn from people who are already doing it, the knowledge in any boot camp you go to is priceless. Any boot camp that is pushing out there and it's creating you and it's growing you is priceless. So keep that in mind. Grow yourself, be in tune with yourself, and have the love and light that you have in yourself to keep growing, keep being, keep doing, keep having. Okay? I hope this helps you all, and whenever you do find a boot camp that you can get in on, get in it. Don't let it wait. Don't hesitate. Get in that boot camp because it's going to benefit you in the long run.